Now you guys should be able to hear me. Rookie mistake, I would say. Welcome, guys. Good to see you all here. Finally, it was about time. It definitely was about time, guys. Just quickly going through all of the comments. Stop all the compliments, please, guys. I hope you guys are enjoying the coffee mug as well. Yes, sir. Sipping my tea as usual, guys. No, okay. Hey, guys, you guys are crazy. I am already blushing, I think, Lil Rubs. 121 viewers. It's crazy, honestly. Jesus Christ. This is the man indeed, Alice. This is the crypto guru, I would say. Kinda crazy. Yeah, the camera is nice, right? And the lights are as well. I think that is what's making me look okay, I would say. The one and only indeed. 120 guys. For those that are not following us on Twitch yet, you definitely have to follow us right now. Yeah, bro, I am happy, Carphenix. Honestly, guys, I haven't been this excited for anything, I believe, in my entire life. I was waiting for this day for 2 or 3 months since we decided to do the face reveal. Kind of crazy. Time has been flying by, so that's crazy as well. But welcome to the stream, everyone. I'm seeing a lot of familiar names as usual, but I'm always seeing a lot of new names as well to the stream. So I love to see that. I did actually hang the Christmas balls in the tree together with my best mate, who's also watching the stream probably, who's living with me and is well, they're not official girlfriend or boyfriend yet, but I think he's watching the stream and he knows what I mean. Yeah, it was about time, Swekang. Nice to meet you guys as well. Definitely. I do know a lot of you guys already pretty well, because I do speak to you guys a lot in DMs and stuff like that, but definitely very nice to meet you guys face to face for the first time, finally. Do you understand the remontada now, Lil Rubs? Why I made it happen? This is no AI, Rhino. I ain't bald yet. Stop it, Agent Sick. Let's see. So that's actually a good question, Cordigan. He's asking, what's the agenda for today's stream? What are we doing today? So first, I just wanted to give you guys the opportunity to ask me some questions if you guys want to. And then afterwards, I just want to go over a few charts, actually, just the usual kind of stuff. Well, I think my accent sounds pretty Dutch, doesn't it, Donu Trader? Yeah, Flo is also saying no Indian. Bro, honestly, every single week I've received several messages of Indian people DMing me with Indian texts and stuff like that. And I was like, I have no idea what you mean, right? And everyone thought that I was Indian because of my name, because of the guru name. I will try my best, Mihek. I will try my best. I had an amazing Christmas, definitely, Jim. Thank you for asking. I hope you guys had a wonderful Christmas as well. For those that were celebrating Christmas, because I do know that quite some of you don't celebrate Christmas as well. But for those that did, I hope you guys had an amazing few holidays. So you guys can right now actually just bombard me with some questions, and I will try to go over them as much as possible. Someone is asking, what are the plans for CGN in 2024? So I think those that have been here from the start, like 2, maybe 1 year, something like that, know that we have been going on quite an amazing journey already, and that, like, if we look at the beginning of the community and we compare it to the community right now, it's a huge difference already. So that's definitely amazing. I think in 2024 there will be some more cool additions that will be added to the community. We will start a $500 to $10,000 challenge for the VIP members and those that have signed up to our affiliate link. And once we complete that $500 to $10,000 challenge, or maybe it will be $500 to $5,000, we are not too sure yet. One of the participants that have followed the challenge, we will fly them out to Amsterdam, book a hotel, book a flight, and we will take them to some restaurants, take them to the club with the whole Guru team, so everyone that is helping behind the scenes. And that is definitely one of the coolest things that I think we have done so far. So that will be pretty amazing. Welcome to the stream, Simon. Good to see you, my man. Very good to see you, actually, at the stream. How are you doing, Bird Straight? We can have a look at the storage later, Mersu Jaden. I wouldn't agree on that Ghost XBT. Yeah, that probably was the reason why Donut Trader. Yeah, I wish Vex was here as well. Put the chat on your main screen. Yeah, but I like looking at it this way, because that's just what I'm used to when I'm streaming and stuff like that. I don't think it changes a lot when I'm looking at this screen or this screen, right? Or does it? Should I look at this screen, guys? To the left or to the right? It's up to you guys. I prefer to look at this screen. I can't even catch up with the chat. It's going too fast. Crazy. Both are fine. Yo, Casper, welcome to the stream. Yeah, we do miss you, Simon. I have played with Bustles. I've trained with him a few times. So I will just try to introduce myself a little bit, who I actually am in real life. So my real name is Jip Molenaar. It's a very Dutch name, so I will type it in the chat like this. Give me a second. So this is my real name for those that don't know yet. Some of you all already found out after the Guru face reveal hints that we gave on Twitter, so that was actually kind of fun. I already got a few DMs about that. Yeah, I agree with that, Whistle. But my real name is Jip Molenaar. I'm 22 years old, from Amsterdam, living here in the city center together with my best friend. I don't know why so many people are saying that I look like Zac Efron. I definitely wouldn't agree on that. But thank you for the compliment, guys. Now I'm definitely going out to the club with a lot more confidence. I have played professional football like my entire life until 1.5 years ago approximately. Then I quitted playing professional football and I went full-time into trading, crypto, and the community. So that's what I've been doing full-time now for over 1.5 years. And honestly, I couldn't be more grateful to do this every single day. I feel like it's my biggest blessing, next to obviously your health, but definitely enjoy doing this every single day, waking up with a whole lot of energy to trade, but also especially to teach you guys how to become traders yourself. So that's basically me. If you guys have any questions, a lot of you, well, probably the most Dutch people and also like some football fans know that I do come from a pretty weird family, I would say. So my sister is dating a football player that a lot of you guys know. My dad has been a professional football player as well, and so I've been doing a little bit of professional football as well. So a lot of you guys did already know who I was after the face review hints and who my family was as well. So that is something that I do get a lot of questions about usually. If you do want to do this full time, Mario, you have to invest a lot of time into it, but it's definitely possible. Guru, what are your goals for the end of 2024? So I'm not really a guy who does like to share his goals, but I do have a few. But I just mainly want to keep growing the community. Also want to focus a lot on social media now that I've revealed my face. So we are already recording quite a lot of content. I want to make some daily live content, maybe even some vlogs, flying out some members to Amsterdam, recording some podcasts with some members. I want to grow the podcast series as well, because I do really enjoy doing that as well. So definitely, yeah, a lot of thoughts on my mind, a lot of goals, and a lot of things to work on in 2024. No, I don't really want to do that, Matas. Welcome to the stream, Enwood. You can always come to Amsterdam and have a date night with me, Enwood. Don't worry about that. Where did I learn trading myself? So basically, I just did a self-study. I gathered as much information as I could from YouTube, other crypto communities. I didn't really have one single mentor. I just tried to pick up as much information as possible from like different kind of professional traders. YouTube was really a big source for me. A lot of people say that they've been reading a lot of books about trading. I have read a few of them, but I do think that video material and stuff helps a lot more with the study and stuff. So I definitely would recommend that a lot more compared to reading books about trading. I can see a Christmas tree. Yes, we do still have the Christmas tree. We want to keep it as long as possible until my birthday. That's like February the 15th, and then we want to remove the Christmas tree. Rhino is saying when sister reveal. So a lot of people, like I said, do know my sister and her boyfriend. But you guys can simply find it on Google. I can simply just spell out her name here for you guys. That's my sister's name. Google is like the easiest source ever. I think if you type in my name, you'll also see like Yip Mona, which is my name, and then sister. It's like one of the top searched things on Google. Thank you for being here, Simon. Good to see you around, my friend. Welcome to the stream, Niak. Good to see you here, my man. Best player I've ever played against? That's actually a nice question. Let me think. Let's see. I probably would say we played against PSV for the Dutch Cup like 2 years ago with my last club that I played for, and I think this guy, he was probably the best player. Joey Veerman. He was an amazing midfielder, I would say. He still is, actually. Yeah, good to see you here at the stream, Leo. Guru can give me mentorship. Well, you can purchase the mentorship on our website, and I would be happy to mentor you one-on-one, my friend. Welcome to the stream, Mafouk. Welcome to the stream, Veer in there. Yeah, I do remember that, Carfinex. Yeah, I do have my own Wikipedia page. It's kind of crazy. Casper, whenever you come to Amsterdam, let me know, bro. We'll have a few beers. Lil Robs is asking a question in Dutch. He's saying, how high is the difference in level between like high amateur football and professional football? I would say it's mainly like the fitness level, I would say. So I'm now playing at a decent amateur level, not even a high amateur level, because I don't want to do that anymore. But like technically, those players are pretty good, I would say. But just a lot of players have like a shitty fitness level, and I think that's the biggest difference, because the intensity of professional football is a lot higher, but it's not necessarily technically. They're just a lot stronger, faster, and in better shape. Football mentorship is still possible, Slayer. Yeah, I can also look at this screen, Nieuwjaarsduik, but I just prefer to look at this screen for some reason. And the chat said it didn't really matter. So I'm actually going to release a video on my high time frame Bitcoin plans on Wednesday, here and there, on the YouTube channel. Oh yeah, I see what you mean actually, Nieuwjaarsduik. It is in some kind of a weird angle, I think, but I don't know if I can change it. No, I don't think I can change it right now, so I should do that probably after the stream. I'm thinking of building a course on how to date girls, but I'm probably not the best guy to ask those kind of questions to. I'm gonna take another sip of my tea, guys. This is like the best tea in town. It's called Sterrenmunt thee in Dutch. Yes, I'm going to stream with camera from now on. I'm going to record the YouTube videos with camera. We are going to upload a lot of real content on Instagram and TikTok and YouTube Shorts. I'm already recording a lot of those videos. So everything will be done with the face review, with the face cam. Yeah, you guys gotta stop with the Zac Efron comparison. My ex-girlfriend is punching the air right now. I'm kidding, I'm kidding. Streaming will remain like 4 times a week in the Discord server and probably 1 time a week on Twitch. How did I start CGN? So that's actually a nice question, Casper. So I started just sharing some of my content on Twitter. I remember back in the days, it's more than 2 years ago now. And I just started sharing my trades there with entry, stop loss, take profit. And those trades went pretty well. So I grew pretty quickly on my previous Twitter channel. I think I grew in a few months from 0 to 500-600 followers. And that is pretty quick on Twitter, because growing your following on Twitter, and those that are on Twitter know it's very difficult. But a lot of people were literally just sending me DMs like, please start a Discord community because I want to follow your trades and I want to learn from you, blah blah blah. And some were saying I'm even willing to pay you for it, and I was like, pay me for it. And I was like, okay, why not? So I started a Discord community. I think we were with like 20 people, and then back then we only had a paid like a paid channel. I didn't even have a free members channel. And that's how I started. And it was just, I just started as a joke and just to gather some extra revenue, like some extra cash flow next to football that I could just spend on going out with my friends and stuff like that. Because I tried to never withdraw any money from my crypto portfolio back then. So yeah, that's basically how I started. And then I just got addicted at some point, and I just really loved the vibes in the community and the questions that I got, and also the comments of people that were telling me that I was helping them a lot and stuff like that. So that's basically how I started. And ever since then, I just got addicted, I would say. I will try to tell you how many girls have DM me, but I don't think there are any girls watching the stream, Timo. Probably like 5 or 6 of them, I would say. I would guess. Something like that. Oh, you are Donu. Well, slide in my DMs afterwards, okay? No, I'm kidding. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Alina, you can slide in my DMs as well. No, I appreciate every single woman that is at the stream. You guys know that. I probably respect the woman a little bit more than the guys in the stream. But you can still slide in my DMs. Yeah, I think Mo started like that, just as a joke, Timo, and then it got a little bit out of hand. You're already streaming 25 minutes. That's crazy. Okay, I would say we can go over a few charts. In the meantime, I'll keep my eye on the chat as well. I just have to check out how I can show you guys this. So I think I need to do it like this. And then I need to make the face cam. Oh, display capture. I'm just struggling a little bit with OBS right now, guys. So give me a second. I need to make the face cam a little smaller, and I need to, I think I'll put it at the top right of the screen. So let me know if this is fine right now. So you guys should be able to see my screen and also see my face cam. Let me know if this is correct. Maybe I should make the face cam a little bigger or maybe a little smaller. Someone is asking, what's the biggest mistake you made last couple of years and the best thing you had? The biggest mistake, I wouldn't say it's like in hindsight, it's not really a mistake, but at the beginning, I just had no idea what risk management was when I started trading. And I just blew up my portfolio a few times. I think every single trader did, but if I could go back in time, obviously, I would try to prevent myself from doing that. But like looking back right now, I'm happy that I did, because now I can prevent you guys from making the same mistakes, right? But I would say that's like probably the biggest mistake, because if I wouldn't have done that and just started with smaller amounts and correct risk management and not blowing up my entire portfolio at the beginning 5, 6, 7, 8 times, I probably would have a lot more money right now, I would say, but I wouldn't be the trader and the disciplined trader that I am right now today if I wouldn't have made those mistakes in the past, right? So yeah, I'm in hindsight, I'm glad that I made the mistake, but that's definitely the biggest mistake that I made, but I think that every single trader is making every single day when they are starting with trading, obviously. Christian is asking, hello Yip, thanks again for the $100 giveaway. What portfolio you suggest to start with for joining VIP membership? I would say you need a minimum of $500 in your trading portfolio, I would say, to make some decent profits that can help you pay for the VIP membership and then make some extra money on top of that. And in the meantime, obviously, you can start educating yourself with all of the educational content that we have in the channel and stuff like that. That definitely is a big advantage as well of the VIP membership. I would say maybe even a bigger advantage rather than just the trade signals. But we had some nice, definitely some nice results in December. I will release that later today on my Twitter. A little bit bigger. Okay, let's make it a little bigger like this. And then I can do it like this. Upray is asking, when are you planning to start a $500 to $10,000 challenge? It will be near the end of January. So I think January, I think it was January the 23rd or January the 29th. I'm not 100% sure, but all of that information will follow later, I think next week. So we can go over Bitcoin, because I was looking at something interesting on Bitcoin actually. What we see over here is quite an interesting chart. And obviously, guys, you have to realize we have already had the last official trading day of 2023. So I would personally be a little bit more careful with trading right now, because you have to realize, like, the last week of 2023, 2022, 2021, every single year, the bigger players, the bigger institutions in this market are withdrawing their money from the market in order to pay for taxes, in order to make up the balance sheet of that year. And that is basically drawing out a lot of the liquidity from the market, right? So what happens is that you get a very low volume market, very liquid moves, and stuff like that. So that's definitely something that we have to realize when we are looking at trades right now, when we are looking at charts right now, okay? So you can also see it over here. This current price action that we are looking at of the past week, it was very choppy, right? So you see a lot of sweeps of highs, a lot of sweeps of lows, and people constantly getting chopped up, okay? And that is very, very typical behavior for the last trading week of the year. And it is something that we are seeing once again this year, okay? Obviously, that doesn't mean that if you see a high probability setup that you shouldn't take it, but I would just always take it with at least half risk and probably even a little lower risk, I would say, okay? But what we are seeing right now on Bitcoin is something quite interesting, because what we saw over here is a sweep of this sell-side liquidity, right? So we swept that low over here. Now, why was this valid sell-side liquidity? Because we saw this fake break of structure over here, okay? And that induced a lot of people into opening breakout long positions over here, but also opening breakout long positions on the pullback, right? Not really breakout long positions, but you get the point. Now, those people were looking for a low to put their stop loss, right? And 99% of the people will put their stop loss beneath this low, okay, instead of this low. Why? Because that will increase their RR, and retail thinks, okay, if we break this low, then we probably go lower and we go for this low as well, okay? So what happens is the people that are shorting, they want to take profit at this low instead of this low, because also the people that are shorting, just like the people that are longing, they're always extremely greedy, okay? So they want to take profit at the lowest low in order for the RR of their short positions to be the highest possible, right? So that is why the liquidity was in this case resting beneath this low, and by sweeping this low and not sweeping this low, the short positions were still running, okay? The short positions didn't have the opportunity to take profit, and that is something that we need. Why? Because that means that the liquidity, the stop losses of those short positions also still exist. Rather than if the short positions have the opportunity to take profit, they either move their stop loss to break even or they close their entire position, and we don't have any stop losses anymore to target for the long positions, okay? So we swept the liquidity. Now that liquidity sweep resulted into demand coming into the market, and that gave us a strong push up, and that strong push up resulted in this structural shift over here, okay? So trend was shifted to the upside. Now we have formed this inducement above this order block, okay? So we know for an order block to be high probability, it needs to sweep liquidity, it needs to have an inducement, and the third requirement for an order block to be high probability, it needs to have a bullish fair value gap right above the order block, okay? So if we check the 4-hourly time frame, we can see that we have this order block, right? Beautiful hammer candlestick candle on the 4-hourly time frame, no fair value gap above it. 2-hourly time frame, no fair value gap above it, right? 1-hourly time frame, we can see no fair value gap above it, but we do have this smaller fair value gap inside of it, okay? So does this count as a valid requirement based on the fair value gap? I would say it's a little doubtful, okay? But we do have the inducement, we do have the shifted structure back to the upside, and we do have the liquidity sweep while the order block was being formed. So 3 of the requirements are definitely met. Now the 4th requirement, which is the bullish fair value gap, is a little doubtful. But that doesn't mean that a setup like this cannot play out. Why? Because we also have a beautiful draw on liquidity to the upside over here with these relatively equal highs and these relatively equal highs over here. So I'm looking maybe for a bit of a liquidity sweep into this bullish hour 4 order block where we sweep that inducement, right? And then have a squeeze to the upside, okay? Because I do think that a lot of people are right now breakdown shorting Bitcoin over here and placing their stops over here, targeting, for example, $38,000. Now, if we get another push to the downside, more people will start opening up breakdown short positions over here with their stop loss above these highs and above this high, okay? And I think if the bigger players decide to absorb that short and sell pressure over here into this strong support area, then we can definitely see a reversal, okay? But personally, I'm not willing to set limits over here. Now, why is that? It is for 2 reasons. Both of them I've already explained right now. First of all, because bigger players, bigger institutions have withdrawn their money from the market, so it's a low liquidity environment, and that is something that you always want to prevent yourself from trading. And we don't really have that bullish fair value gap on the 4-hourly time frame aligning above the order block. So the order block is missing one of the 4 requirements in order for the order block to be high probability. So we have a low probability current entire market environment, and we have a decent probability order block. Then we have to wonder and ask ourselves the question, okay, is this a high probability setup? And the answer is very simple. The answer is no. Okay, it's not a high probability setup. But if we get the confirmation inside of our POI, then it can become a high probability setup. And now what do I mean by that? I mean that I want to see a shift in structure back to the upside, okay? So if we currently look at the current market structure for Bitcoin, we can see that we are constantly forming lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, right? So now currently, after forming this fresh low compared to this previous low, we can see that the price is forming a lower high over here, right? Now, if after forming this lower high, we form a lower low, That means that in order to shift structure back to the upside, you always want to break the high that has brought you to the most recent new low. So that means that in that case, if we now form a fresh low, this is the high to break in order to shift structure in order to get that confirmation. So that is also the thing that I will be waiting for in that case, okay? So what I'm personally going to do is I'm going to set my alerts beneath this low. If we sweep that low and after we sweep that low, we shift structure over here like this. And a structural shift means we need to open and close candles above the high that has brought us to that fresh low, okay? Don't close the candle above, now open and close candles above that high that has brought us to that new low. Now, after we have done that, then I will look to play the higher low somewhere over here. I will use the Fibonacci retracement tool. I will use volume levels. I will use key levels in order to determine a nice level, or probably 2 levels. Oh, I'm almost breaking my fucking desk over here. I will use those confluences in order to find my entry at that point, okay? So that's basically what I'm waiting for right now. I'm going to set my alerts. If it sweeps the low and shift structure afterwards to the upside, I will enter long on the higher low, targeting new yearly highs for Bitcoin. Welcome to the stream, Rich Taha, and thank you for the kind words. You're probably a little more handsome than me though. I'm going to scroll back in the chat a little bit right now, guys, because I've been talking for way too long already. Lucky is saying Guru OnlyFans is already on. Well, I might start it, to be honest, right now. Yes, Oscar, but I'm not cautious about the CME gap right now, but I will be later on. And that is something that I will explain in Wednesday's higher time frame Bitcoin update. So Wednesday, definitely check out that YouTube video. I will upload my high time frame Bitcoin plan. Flo, you're crazy. Yo, Chubby, welcome to the stream, my friend. I hope you're doing well, and thank you for the kind words. I'm getting way too much love today, guys. Didn't really expect that, to be honest. Thank you, Donu. I am here to educate you guys at the end of the day. Chubby. Thank you for the very kind words, Rich Taha. My real name, Taha, is Yip Molenaar. It's like this. Yeah, but Taha joined the stream a little later, Rhino. That's why I was asking, I think. Still 92 viewers, guys. I would highly appreciate a follow on Twitch. Follow on Twitter, everywhere, but I would highly appreciate a follow on Twitch, guys. I will remain streaming 1 time a week at least on Twitch, next to the Discord streams, of course. And something that we have to do still is the giveaways, of course, guys. I don't know if you guys still remember, but let me open up the giveaways. So we are giving away 3 times a 1-month subscription to our VIP channel, where I'm sharing every single trade that I take with exact entry, stop loss, and take profit targets. We are 1 time giving away the main trading course, and we are giving away the scalp trading course 1 time as well during today's stream, okay? So definitely a big few giveaways around the corner. We will host them in a little bit for the 92 viewers that are still watching the stream. So definitely make sure to stick around. Okay, I'm not 100% sure how I need to host this, but someone sent me this program to host the giveaway. So I think it's like this. And now I'm going to Start with a VIP access for 3 people that will get 1 month of free VIP access, okay? In order to participate in the giveaway, you guys not yet need to spell out this sentence over here, okay? Let me check out if everything is okay. Exclude moderators. I'm going to start the giveaway right now. And in order to participate, guys, enter this. Okay, it's working, I think. So you guys have 2 minutes to enter the giveaway right now. 3 times 1 month VIP access. Already 14 entries. Already 16 entries, 17. Going pretty fast. A lot of people are participating as expected. In the meantime, I'm actually going to take a little bit of a refill of my tea, okay? So you guys can check out while I'm walking. I'm 6'6" as well, actually, so I'm pretty tall, I would say, but I'm back in about 1 minute. We love Guru, you're insane. You're crazy. 32 entries, guys. We have 84 viewers, so I'm still waiting for some more people to enter the giveaway, if you guys want to, of course. If you guys want to be part of the VIP channel. Yeah, I agree, Donu. I am 6'6", so that's 2 meters tall, Cordigan. I do agree, digging for traders. Digging for dollars, I mean. We do have some great traders in the VIP channel. So about 30 more seconds before I reveal the winners. No idea if I did everything correctly. Meantime, making sure that my tea is tasting right. Oh. Okay, guys, I'm going to stop the giveaway right now. 37 entries. Yeah, I often say that I'm 6'5" as well, even though that I'm 6'6". It sounds too tall in my opinion. All right, we're going to stop the giveaway. 38 entries, guys. Yeah, I weigh about 103 kilograms, so I'm pretty heavy. Okay, stop giveaway. The winners are, well, you can see them over here. Milan Sander, Des7792, Pidam Chewy42. Guys, please make sure to send me a DM either on Discord or on Twitter with proof that you are the one that won the giveaway, okay? And I'll make sure that you guys get 1 month of free VIP access. So congratulations to the winners. Now we are going to start a new giveaway, which is for the scalping course, okay? So we will save the main course until the end. To participate, you need to send this sentence, okay? We're going to start the giveaway right now. You guys can enter the giveaway simply by sending this message for the scalping course, which is worth $150 as well, or probably even more, I'm not even too sure, to be very honest. $41 entries already, so the scalping course is even in bigger demand compared to the VIP access. Well, Flo, then I sincerely hope that you don't win. All right, guys. 30 more seconds and then I'm going to reveal the winner. Okay, 46 entries, guys. I'm going to skip the giveaway now. And the winner is Cordigan. So also for you, Cordigan, please make sure to send me a DM on Twitter with proof that you are the one that is owning the Twitch account that just won. Congratulations. And I'll make sure that you get access to the scalping course. Now for the last giveaway, guys. This one is pretty huge, I would say. This is the main course. In here I explain all the basics of trading, how to identify support, how to identify resistance, how to use all of the tools that you need in order to become profitable. But this is definitely a big giveaway, I would say. So we are going to start this giveaway. Simply send this message in the chat to participate. So a lot of people are already participating. We are already at 30 participants. 38, 42, going kind of crazy. The course is on Huddle. I don't know if you're familiar with that, Donu Trader. 44 entries already, guys. I'll give you guys 30 more seconds to join the giveaway. Yeah, I think it's something similar, Donu. Okay, guys, 10 more seconds and I'm going to reveal. Can we reach the 50 participants in this giveaway? We're already at 48 participants. 49. Okay, guys, I'm going to reveal the winner of the main course. We have 50 participants and the winner is Nooblike23. Congratulations, my friend. Also for you, please send me a DM on Twitter or Discord in order to claim your prize. I will make sure that, that you get access to the main trading course. Okay, guys, we are already streaming for 48 minutes. Let's do one more little Q&A. If you guys still do have any questions. If you guys still do have any questions, this is the opportunity to ask me all the questions that you guys want. Otherwise, we are going to wrap up the stream in a little bit. I'm not gonna lie, I was a little nervous. Not really nervous, I was nervous and excited before the stream started, but now I feel so comfortable again. I have no idea why that is. Probably because of all of the compliments that you guys gave me. How much time did it take me to learn the market? In order to really become profitable, it took me like 1.5 years, I would say, until I was consistently profitable and consistently making good money in this market and good return on my investments. I would say 1.5 years. I hope I'm sending Bitcoin to 50K really soon, Marty. That would be nice, right? So guys, for those that aren't part of our Discord server, I'm going to send you guys a little invite link right now in the chat. So definitely make sure to join the Discord community as well. When did I decide to switch from soccer to trading? It wasn't last summer, but it was the summer before. So I think now about 1.5 years ago. And I'm still very glad that I did so. Favorite Dutch artist. I don't know if Memon is in the stream, but Memon can confirm. My favorite Dutch artist is Cho. It's like yeah, it's like a not I wouldn't really say, yeah, he is a rapper from the Netherlands. Cho is my favorite. What was the main thing that helped me with trading besides learning risk management? I would say making mistakes, Miek. So just going out there, trying different strategies, trying different entry methods, making mistakes over and over again until you finally understand, until it finally clicks, until your strategy finally works. And that takes a lot of time. It takes a lot of effort. It takes a lot of frustration. It takes almost mental health issues, but you have to make those mistakes over and over again. And if you don't go out there, or if you even start trading with demo money, or even backtesting, that kind of stuff, in my opinion, it doesn't work. In my opinion, you have to go out there in the live market, with some real money that you have some attachment to, not too much, but emotions and controlling emotions and those kind of things, they are extremely important while trading. And if you start trading with demo money, with fake money, or even backtesting, which is even worse, there's no emotional attachment, okay? So you have to go out there and really make those mistakes, Miak. I think that was a very, very good question. I listen to all kinds of music, Miak, actually. I even listen to piano music every now and then, but I do really like Dutch hip hop, American hip hop, but I listen to everything basically. How much did my biggest mistake cost you? Um, I would say my biggest, because it was really a mistake. So later on, obviously, sometimes you lose some more money. But my biggest mistake, because it was all the way at the beginning, I remember I deposited, I think, from my investment portfolio to my trading portfolio when I first started with futures trading, because one of my friends, he told me, Guru, or I could say Yip now, Yip, you have to do this. I made crazy money last week just following signals from this and this guy. I was like, okay, if you make this amount of money, I'm taking some money of my investment portfolio. So I took, I think it was about 6-7 grand. I put it in my futures account back then on Binance. I followed the signal and no risk management, all in. I had no idea back then what I was doing. And the trade went south. I don't even think I had a stop loss and my account got liquidated. So I lost like 6-7K in literally, it was like 15 minutes. It was kind of crazy. No, not an ex-friend now, Dona. I still speak to him every now and then. I started somewhere in 2019, 2020, Rich Taha. Favorite Dutch football player, obviously, I have to say Matthijs de Ligt. No, probably Frankie de Jong. Yeah, Cordigan, revenge trading, it's all part of the discipline and the consistency and controlling emotions. Like I said, it's the biggest part of trading where most people fail. And revenge trading is a big part of that, obviously. I don't really follow Formula One, Casper, but I would say Max, of course, because he's Dutch, but I don't really follow it. Someone is also asking what's your biggest profit. That is something that I don't really like to talk about, Yannick. Maybe one day. And I think my biggest profit, the coin it was, I do remember, it was on Cardano. I bought Cardano very low, but the thing there was that I literally sold Cardano at the tippy top. It was crazy. And it wasn't any technical analysis. I just thought at some point, okay, this is enough. Let me sell everything I own right now. And I think I sold about 2% from the tippy top. What's my secret talent again, Crypto Legend? I did like a self-study, I would say, Hussein. So I took a lot of information from a lot of different sources, a lot of different people, communities, a lot of information from YouTube as well. I did a little bit of reading, but not too much. I will show my belly dancing one day, Crypto Legends. I will show it once we do the Crypto Guru Network gathering in Amsterdam. I will show that I can belly dance, okay? Okay, guys. I think, yeah, I know, Timo. Bitcoin Hyper was one of my biggest mentors, I would say. He's a legend. He still is, actually. Okay, guys. I am going to wrap up the stream right here. I do really sincerely want to thank you guys all for coming. At some point, I think we were with 150 viewers. I expected about 50 viewers, so that is honestly, it's mind blowing, to be honest. I did really enjoy the first stream with my face cam, and from now on, like I said, every single stream will be with the face cam and obviously with the Crypto Guru Network tea and coffee mug. The tea tasted amazing, I would say, and I did really enjoy all of the questions. I did more so enjoy all of the kind comments and all of the people saying that I looked like Zac Efron, which I do not really agree on, but still, it's quite nice to hear. And it's probably my opening sentence when I'm talking to a woman right now, that my community is saying that I look like Zac Efron. That's amazing, Renan. But I do really appreciate every single one of you for being here. I'm going to wrap up the stream right now, but I'll catch you guys on Monday. We will upload the recording of the stream on YouTube in some sort of like a video content, so that will be pretty cool, I would say. And then on Wednesday, we have a brand new YouTube video with my high time frame Bitcoin plans, also with Facecam. And on Tuesday, we will have the first stream in our Discord server with Facecam as well. And Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, we're going to upload real content, YouTube short content, and TikTok content every single day. So definitely make sure to follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube as well. There's so many content coming in 2024, guys. It's kind of insane. I don't know if I will be able to keep up, but I think I will be. I am a little bit of a cult leader right now. Thank you guys for being here. I want to wish you guys a wonderful 2024 already. So I don't think I will be speaking to you guys again before New Year's Eve. Thank you guys for being here, and I'll catch you guys soon. Ciao, ciao.